saying I'm subtracting 6 and 4/15. And so go ahead and do my comparison, 2/15 and 4/15. If you're not sure, like this, gosh, I just don't know. If you're not sure, go ahead and turn 2/5 into 15ths and see. So I get this by multiplying by 3, 6/15. So 2/5 was larger than 4/15. Don't be afraid to do the regrouping that way if you're not sure. And so when I do 6 subtract 4, I end up with 2/15. And then 8 subtract 6 is going to be 2. So my answer is going to be 2 and 2/15. Okay. All right. So in your independent practice, the problems that I would like for you to do is I'd like for you to do 10, 12, see, an addition, subtraction, 14, 16, and 18. So you're doing 10, 12, 14, 16, and 18. Do your next page. The problems that I would like for you to do are going to just be 26 and 27. So you're just going to do 26 and 27 on this page.